Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the gift card balance and locating the 16-digit code. This avoids surprises at payment. Once done, sign into your JD Sports account so the checkout fields prefill and things go faster. Make sure you have a backup payment method in case the card doesn't cover shipping or taxes. That's why you verify billing address and contact details now. This step reduces friction and prevents needing to restart the purchase halfway through. You add items to your cart and double-check sizes and quantities so returns are minimized. Next, proceed to checkout and confirm delivery options and address. Shipping choices can change totals. When you reach payment, enter the gift card code exactly as shown and click Apply. This authorizes the value against your order. If the card covers part of the total, you'll see the remaining balance. If it covers all, you can skip adding another payment method. You now review the order summary, confirming the gift card deduction and any remaining amount. If there's a leftover balance, enter your secondary payment method and complete the purchase. This ensures the order processes without delay. If the gift card code doesn't apply, don't panic. Retype it carefully, check balance, and ensure the card is activated. If issues persist, contact JD Sports support with the card number and order details for a quick resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.